Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and I have a big announcement, which is that for those of you who are always asking me, where can you get the linen that I love to use? It is hand dyed by my friend Pat Polly, and if you haven't seen the interview I did with Pat, you should go look at it. I'll put the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video. Pat has just posted on her website, and I'll put the link below, a whole batch of new hand-dyed linens, hand-painted, hand-dyed, stenciled linens on her website. So I put the link up for my patrons first, so there are quite a few that have already been sold, but if you hurry and go to her site, there are still some left. For those of you who don't know about Pat and her hand-painted fabrics, she does cottons as well, for those of you who are quilters, but her linens, and that's the link I'm going to put below. This is one of her linens that she sent me, as is this. So as you can see, the colors are incredibly vibrant. She does an absolutely gorgeous job. This is another piece of hers. And the pieces that I have been working on, for those of you who follow me, you know this already, but those of you who are new, this piece has all of Pat's hand-dyed linens as the background, and then also it's what I use to applique on. These are different, another piece of linen that are also all Pat's. So she is absolutely my hands down favorite person for hand-dyed linen. There is nothing like it. People have said, well, she sells out so quickly, where can I get something similar? There is nothing similar. That's why she sells out, because there is nothing like her linens. She uses 100% linen. The quality is beautiful, and she's an artist, and so she's painting on linen. Go over there. If it's sold out, I'm sorry. It'll go quickly. So as I said, I'm putting the link below. Go over there and buy yourself some linen and have fun, and let me know. Tell me how it goes. I'd love to hear. Thanks so much, everyone. And you heard it here first. For those of you who want to know about her linens right away, she always texts me when she puts things up on her site, new batches on her site, and I always send that link to my patrons first. So you can also become a patron, and at any level. I always give the link to any of my patrons. And here's to stitching together.